Welcome back to Good Father House Design. Today, we're stepping into a classic, Mediterranean-inspired sanctuary. Inspired by the slow pace of coastal living, this design embraces authentic organic textures, natural warmth, and breathing room. Let's take a quiet walk through this gentle retreat. As we approach the property, the home welcomes us with its warm, creamy stucco walls and classic terracotta roof tiles. Dark brown window frames offer a gentle contrast to the soft facade, while a decorative stone pillar fence with wrought iron gates establishes a sense of quiet privacy. Walking along the paved driveway, surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant flower beds under a bright blue sky, you can feel the warmth of the day settling in. It's an inviting, peaceful start to our journey. Stepping beyond the main entryway, we find ourselves in a secluded inner courtyard. At the center sits a gentle terracotta tile fountain, filling the air with the soothing sound of trickling water. An open-air stone corridor connects this outdoor oasis directly to the dining area. With large windows looking back over the courtyard, you can enjoy the view of vibrant flowers and water reflections during meals, creating a beautiful flow between the interior and the garden. Heading inside, the kitchen and family lounge area are designed with a generous, open feel. The kitchen features a large center island with a natural wood countertop, dark brown cabinetry, and warm terracotta tile accents. Sunlight pours in through expansive windows, framing the lush garden outside like a living painting. Just adjacent is the cozy lounge, where a plush sofa in a natural fabric and a textured area rug invite the family to sit back, relax, and enjoy quiet afternoons together. The master bedroom is a peaceful, private retreat wrapped in calming stucco walls and dark wooden accents. Large windows with delicate wrought iron details let in a soft breeze and views of mature trees. Through the doorway, the private bath reveals natural stone countertops and a soft skylight above. It's an open, airy layout that allows you to bathe under the gentle glow of natural light, surrounded by a private pocket garden and the soothing sounds of nature. Moving to the backyard, we are greeted by a beautiful Mediterranean-style swimming pool lined with terracotta tile coping. The pool area features a comfortable sunken lounge, a small shaded gazebo, and an outdoor dining space nestled under a wooden pergola. Surrounded by natural stone pathways and tropical landscaping, this backyard is designed for slow, restful days, whether you're sitting by the stone fire pit or enjoying an outdoor barbecue with family. Taking a look at the house from the garden, we can appreciate the organic textures of the warm stucco walls and the rich pattern of the roof tiles. As the sun begins to set, the warm glow of outdoor lights illuminates the central arched entryway and the small wrought-iron balcony above. It's a beautifully balanced facade that highlights the authentic materials, making the entire property feel incredibly cozy, safe, and grounded. Looking at the overall layout, this design successfully balances grand volume with intimate, comfortable spaces. A double height void connects the ground floor to a charming mezzanine level, bordered by a dark brown wrought iron railing. The architectural flow is simple and intuitive, ensuring that every room, walkway, and garden corner remains connected to the natural light and the soft summer breeze. Thank you for joining us. At Good Father House Design, we believe the best homes bring peace and warmth to your family. If you enjoyed this Mediterranean tour, please like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiration. Until next time, take care, and may your home always be a peaceful sanctuary.